Hey guys, Alicia here. Today's sponsored video is from Mims Design Studio. What I wanted to talk about here is that if you have the talent to draw or if you have the talent to paint, there is so much you can do with that and to sell it on Etsy. So I wanted to go into her shop and then I'm going to explain how you can do this too. If you would like. So she's got everything in here, and I want to mention she does hand paint all of her work. So I'm going to pull up this item right here, and the beauty of this is that, this is great wall art right here for your kitchen, teacup art, kitchen wall art, sort of abstract. If you were to go buy something like this, let's say at Hobby Lobby or, whatever your nearest art gallery is, this is going to be something very expensive to purchase, which is the beauty of instant downloads on Etsy, because you can purchase this for $9 and then you can print it out yourself. Now, I always recommend that you send something like this to your local printer and have them professionally print it. So this is just an idea. She has done a wonderful job here. It's a download only. She's kind of showing what it would look like in a kitchen. She's showing a close-up here of the artwork. So I just wanted to mention that. She also has everything over here in tabs. So she has her abstract art, mid-century, botanical art, landscape, black and white art, Scandinavian. She does have some things like Christmas cards, holiday items, and kitchen art. So I'll go into her botanical art. Here she's got this. This is just absolutely beautiful and colorful to make every room pop. So I'm going to leave a link to her Etsy shop in the description below this video. And also, if you are interested in me sponsoring your Etsy shop or wherever you sell your items, there is a link in the description below this video for you to fill out. So check that out also. So yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. She's showing what it would look like on a wall. And once again, the beauty of this is that you can purchase this for $9 and then you can have it professionally printed. The cost of having something like this printed, I would say might be around $15. So you're getting a great deal on art. Whereas if you went to an art gallery, something like this is really going to cost you a whole lot of money. So this is just a close-up. I love how she's taking the close-ups. So she's just basically saying here this is a downloadable item only. No item will be physically shipped, which is the beauty of it. So please check out her shop. She's got so many beautifully displayed items. Her cover photo itself just screams. She's got downloadables, art prints, abstract art, home decor. So if you're looking for home decor, definitely check her Etsy shop out, which will be linked below. So if you do have a talent for painting or drawing, what you do is that you scan your items, okay, and then when you scan your items into your computer, you now have it in a digital form. So the original, you just scan it and you turn it into a digital product. I know a lot of people do this with watercolor, flowers, and things like that. A lot of people do this with their drawings. So like if you wanted to do These are her cards. So she's got some other things listed on here. So, you know, like I said, once again, if you were looking for something like this, that's all you would have to do is once you finished painting it, you would scan it and then you would put it into, that's what your instant download would be for Etsy. If you've been following me for any length of time, I do have a video on how to upload a digital item to Etsy. So she's got this, you know, beautifully displayed in a mock-up photo. And, you know, once again, I can't stress enough that if you have the talent to paint or draw, I actually do not. However, I'm very creative, so I need people like this that know how to paint in order to use those designs to create my designs. So I really do hope this video was helpful to you. And if you have not yet joined my Facebook group, you can do so at, it's called Etsy Passive Income. Make sure that you answer all 3 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. Also, be sure to stop by and give Mims Design Studio a visit. I'm sure they would love to have you. And if you have any questions for Michelle in her shop, just send her a message on Etsy and she will get back with you. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.